Hey guys, I got this 2013 Ram over here. Sometime it'll start, sometime it won't. I'm gonna get my helper over here to diagnose it, and we gonna go from there, y'all. Let's get it. Yeah, that's the key. All right, I already got the scan to it. It's towed in. It's a no start, no crank. Verify it first. First thing you want to do is verify it. See if that's the case. Will the remote work? See if the remote feature works. Nothing. All right. So there's a chance we could have a problem with the key, but we don't want to guess. So let's verify the complaint. If it came in for no crank, no start, chances are it's no not cranking and no start. But you notice we're in the shop.
Yeah.
That means it cranked for me. I got it in here.
Oh,
so let's see what you can come up with. Let's see what will happen. Look at that. See what I mean? Turn it. Do it again. Do it about 3 times. Pull it out. I'll put it in. Yeah. See, a minute ago it wouldn't crank at all. So what we're gonna do is let's hook up the scan tool. Yeah, let's hook up the scan tool. Turn the key on and leave it in the run position. So you got the topology pulled up. All your cranking functions are in a module called RFH, Radio Frequency Hub. Where is that box at?
Right.
Where?
It says radio over here? Or no?
No, not radio. Radio RFH stands for Radio Frequency Hub.
It's right here.
Yeah, and you notice it's yellow. That means there's a trouble code in it. So go in there in that module. Let's see what the codes are. Oh, you're already on the DTCs. Imagine that. Look at them codes.
Invalid key, remote start, antenna circuit open.
Okay, so you likely have a problem with the key based on those codes. See if it'll crank up.
Alright.
Turn it off. Yeah, see, it's still starting. It's intermittent. Now, look at the mileage.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's a lot. So what we're going to do is, but what we should do, because it's an intermittent problem, pull that key out. Let me take a look at that key. Yeah, chances are there's a problem with this key. I mean, this is a 2013 model, so it lasted a long ass time. However, we can't chance this with a customer. It could fail again. We're going to need a new key. But look at that mileage again. Now, yeah, the very same item that this key go into to allow for cranking could also be suspect. Now, you don't have a code for anything RKE related, but that shouldn't stop you from suspecting that, okay? Especially due to the mileage. So we're gonna need a key and a key and an RKE module.
Oh, RKE module. Yeah.
Do you know what you've done one of these before? The RKE module. What's that?
Oh, the ignition.
Yeah, basically the ignition. All right, so yeah, we're gonna write the estimate up for those 2 parts and get those replaced because that is likely what the problem is. Intermittent and the mileage is, wow, they did good, 228. All right, let me go to parts department. Let me write this estimate up. All right, here you go. It's all open. Let me pull that out. Yeah, that is they call it the ignition switch, but it's basically a little small computer. Skim module, RKE, they go by a lot of names. So what we're gonna do is program a new key with a new skim module. And yeah, that should take care of that intermittent problem, because now based on the code just said ignition key invalid, right? But again, this is, yeah, I've been doing this long enough to know you should do this as well, because this is where the problem lies. But the key code is only showing up first. I'm guessing because they prioritize the function of the key first. So they didn't even bother testing this because this failed. So we're going to one-up them and do both of them. I already got it approved, so they want to replace. Now, how do you replace it? You know how to replace it?
Yeah, you got to take off this bottom part.
Yeah, that pops off, blah, 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 blah. And look, see on my 4 little stinky screws. So go ahead and get that done. Then I'm going to show you, after we get that replaced, we're going to need a skim code or RKE module code, and we can get that from the parts department. So once you replace this, then I'm going to have you program that. All right, let's see if what an old key at.
Right here.
Put it in and see what happens. It's very intermittent. It might start 100 times now. Yeah, see? When I drove it in, I got it in, I drove it in. But then when I got here and stopped, it wasn't crank no more.
I wouldn't crank no more?
All right, yeah. All right, so let's rip this panel apart and get that replaced. And then we're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to program a key when you're done. All right,
Yeah.
let's get it. I'm talking about what he doing. What is that? Oh, the 4 screws. Oh, you got the old one out?
Yeah. I'm already installed.
Yeah, you can't look at these damn things and tell they bad. They just, it's all electronics. Hey, these not bad. Just take the panel off. And voila. What's up? Allen head or Phillip head? Torque bit?
No, that's a torque bit. That's a T20.
Oh, T20 holding it on. Let me see.
Yep. It's like 4 bolts.
Oh, yeah, piece of cake. All right, get that connector in. We're going to program this key. Ooh, hey, got it back together. All right, guys, I'm finna go over the programming feature procedure with him. You all can't do this. You got to have special tools for this, so let's get it. That's a new key, right? All right.
Yeah.
You got nothing. That's because it's not programmed. All right, leave it in the run. It's in the run position.
Yeah.
All right, we need to go to RKE. That's where the key programming functions are. RFH, rather.
RFH.
Now, what say flash? We're gonna go to click that arrow. See what are my choices. Miscellaneous.
Misfunctions.
All right, what are we looking for? Take your pick. What do we want to do? So let's go to key programming. Let's program a key phobic. Reprogram ignition phobic baseline.
Program ignition. Oh, okay.
Use this function when the RF hub has been replaced or additional phobics need to be. Let's hit continue. Oh, it's in the lock. Turn it to the lock, not the run. In other words, turn it off.
Oh, turn off?
Yeah. Continue.
Enter vehicle pin. So this one, right?
Yep.
3914. Please verify 3914.
You sure that's right? Hit yes.
Yes. Please ensure on program is in the ignition.
It is.
So continue.
Yeah. Oh, successful. Cool. Hit continue. We're only doing one. Please ensure. Hold on. Phobic. It's in it. Oh, that's if you want to do another one. Don't do nothing. See if it'll start. Turn it off and turn it back on. There you go.
Hey.
Now, see if that code that we had before. Remember the codes we had before?
So put cancel it?
Yeah, cancel and go back into DTC. Slide over. Those can't be active. Those are stored. So what we need to do is erase those. Turn the key off and turn it back on. And we're going to erase all those codes. So erase all those codes.
Yep. Then
Yeah, start it up, see if they come back. All right, we done. You replaced the key. Again, this was 2013 Ram, came in, intermittent, no start, no crank. We had the code and invalid key. Because of the high mileage, we went with the key and a ignition switch skim module, RKE module. They go by different names. And now this customer's fixed. It should be a successful repair. So he got the chance to learn how to replace one as well as how to program a key. We good to go. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.